Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel and we're back again with another tutorial video. So for this video, I'll be teaching you on how to create photo slideshows on your TikTok account. But first, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will always be notified with our new uploads. So to start, let's go to my TikTok account. And then let's click on the plus sign option. And then here, let's click on the upload option. And now, let's click on photos. So here, we can now add any photos that we want. So let me choose photos first. And then after choosing the photos that you like, you can now click on the next option. So here, you can now edit the photo slides and you can add sounds or music that you like. You can also add filter if you want, and then after editing the photo slides, you can now click the next option. And then here, you can add a caption, hashtags, and then you can also tag people and also location. And after doing that, you can now post the photo slides. So that's how you create photo slides on your TikTok account. I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please do comment it down below, and thank you for watching. I'll see you all on our next video.